Can you imagine hiccuping for a lifetime? Charles Osborne, an American farmer, holds the record for the longest hiccup episode ever, lasting 68 years. It began after an accident in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990. Doctors estimated he hiccuped about 430 million times during his life. Despite this strange condition, Osborne managed to live a relatively normal life. His case remains one of the biggest medical mysteries in history. Scientists still don't fully understand what caused it or why it lasted so long. His story is both shocking and inspiring. Even the smallest body reflex can become extraordinary. Subscribe now for more unbelievable human facts.